Ready to feel strong and calm? Step on your mat, take a big deep breath, and let's start our adventure together right now. Step your feet wide and bend your knees deep. Reach your arms out like a powerful queen guarding her garden. Keep your chest tall and breathe. You are steady and strong. Turn your toes out and stretch your arms long. Look out over your fingers like a brave guardian watching over the flowers. Stay steady, stay strong, and take a deep breath. You are doing amazing. Keep your legs wide and reach one hand down toward your ankle. Stretch your other arm high to the sun. Imagine you're a strong triangle in the garden. Breathe deep and feel your magic grow. Beautiful stretching. Now, sink your hips low to one side and stretch your other leg out long. Imagine you're a little garden cricket hiding in the grass. Stay balanced, take a deep breath, and feel how strong your legs are. Great job! Sit down comfortably and reach one arm way over your head. Lean to the side like a colorful flower swaying in the garden breeze. Feel the long stretch from your hip to your fingers. Take a deep breath and relax. So peaceful. Bring the soles of your feet together and flap your knees like the wings of a butterfly. Sit tall and imagine you're flying over the garden flowers. Take a deep breath and let your wings feel light and free. You look wonderful. Kneel down and rest your forehead on the mat. Curl up small like a little seed sleeping under the garden soil. Relax your arms, take a big, slow breath, and feel completely safe and quiet. You've worked so hard today. Lie on your belly and press your hands down to lift your chest high. Imagine you're a curious cobra peeking over the tall garden grass. Keep your shoulders down and take a long, deep breath. You look so strong and steady. Sit tall and gently twist your body to the side. Imagine you are a leafy vine winding its way up a garden fence. Look back over your shoulder and take a deep, slow breath. Feel your back getting strong and flexible. Great twisting. Put your hands and feet on the mat and lift your hips high to the sky. Imagine you're a playful puppy stretching in the morning sun. Push the floor away and take a big, happy breath. You are so strong and flexible. Come to your hands and knees. Round your back up like a sleepy garden cat. Then dip your belly down and look up like a happy cow. Move back and forth and feel your spine getting all wiggly and warm. You're doing great! Stand tall and bring one foot to your leg. Reach your arms up like branches growing toward the sun. Find a spot to look at and stay very still. You are a strong, steady tree in our beautiful garden. Take a deep breath and grow tall. Step your feet back and hold your body straight like a strong wooden bridge over a garden stream. Keep your tummy tight and push the floor away. You are so powerful. Hold it for a deep breath. You've got this. Press your hands down and lift your whole body up toward the sky. Imagine you're a flower opening its petals to the morning sun. Feel your heart shine bright and take a big, happy breath. You are radiating with magic and strength. Kneel up tall and reach your hands back toward your heels. Lift your chest and look up like the rising sun over the garden. Feel your heart open wide and take a deep, warm breath. You are shining so bright today. Lay down flat on your back and let your body melt into the garden grass. Close your eyes and imagine the warm sun on your face. You are calm, you are safe, and you are very special. Just rest here and breathe for a moment. Sit with your legs straight and reach for your toes, just like a garden gate gently closing for the night. Relax your neck and take a slow, deep breath. You are becoming so flexible and calm. Wonderful job, Explorer! Lie on your belly, reach back for your ankles, and lift up! You're a bright rainbow stretching over the garden. Feel your chest open wide and take a big, happy breath. You are so strong and full of magic. Lay on your back, grab your feet, and rock side to side like a happy little bug in the garden. Kick your legs and give a big, bright smile. You finished your adventure! Take a deep breath and feel how wonderful you are. Great job! You did it, explorers! You're so strong and brave! If you loved our garden journey, hit like and subscribe for more magic. See you next time! Bye-bye!